If you've not opened an account with Selar, do that right now while it's still free. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If this is your first time stopping by, please do well to hit that subscribe button and subscribe so that you can join this wonderful, amazing family. So how to open a Selar account? The first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and type in Selar on Google. Then you click on the first heading over here, right? Once you click on that, it takes you right into the home page of Selar. Okay, but I want to run you through the pricing. Like, is Selar free or is it paid? Okay, there are three basic plan for Selar. Okay, we have the starter, and this starter is free. It's free here. It says free, right? And what you get from this free plan is you get to upload 40 products. Okay, you get to upload 40 products. You get to sell ebooks, your ebooks. You get to sell services. You get to sell physical products still. You get to sell read-only ebooks, or you can make it downloadable. Then you sell digital products. You sell subscription tickets and coupons and a whole lot of other things, basically digital stuffs. Then when you come to the pro plan, the pro plan costs 8,000 every month. Now the difference between this pro plan and this one is that the pro plan comes with everything in the starter plan, okay, but the basic difference for me is the video. You get to sell video courses, which is not really available in the starter plan, okay. But in the pro plan, you get to sell video courses, up to 10 video courses, okay. But in each course there can be unlimited videos, okay. Then you get to sell unlimited products, unlimited digital products. Then another thing is you get to sell with affiliates. Then you also get a free affiliate sell page or pages, whereas in the starter plan you do not get an affiliate sell page. You only get limited affiliate links. Okay, let me look for it. You only get limited. You sell with affiliate, but it's limited. But in the pro plan you get affiliate sell pages, okay. You also get landing pages in the pro plan. You also get landing pages in the pro plan, which is not in the starter plan. So the basic difference is you get landing pages, you get affiliate sales pages, and you get to upload your video courses. People can come and watch on selar.co, okay, on your page. And this is the difference between this free plan and this pro plan. Then for the turbo plan, the turbo plan costs 15,000 naira every month. Now the difference between this turbo plan and the pro plan is that in turbo plan you have everything in the pro plan. Then you get to upload 25 video courses, whereas in the pro plan you get to upload just 10 courses. Then you also have 3 membership courses subscription and 25 single videos replays, okay. You have replays are not in the starter plan, but they are also in the pro plan. But in the pro plan you get to have just 10 single video replay, whereas in the turbo plan you get 25 single video replay. So the difference between this turbo plan and this pro plan is just an increase in number of video courses you can upload, which is from 10 to 25. Then also the replays, which also increased by 15, okay. Then you get your drip membership content. So basically that is what the plan is. So you can choose different plans. When you go to the quarterly plan, when you want to do quarterly plan, the prices differs. You get 20% off for those. So if you want to do a yearly plan of the pro plan, you get to pay just 80,000 naira instead of paying something more, okay. So that is that for that. All right, let's go dive into creating the account with Selar. Okay, so where you want to click, you click on this start selling with Selar right here. Click on it, start selling with Selar. You click on start selling with Selar. Then it takes you right into this page where you create your account. But a quick way to do it, if you're already signed in, if the browser you're using you already signed in into Google, you just need to come down here, click on this Google sign here. It says create account or continue with either of these. If your Facebook is signed into the browser you're using, or your Twitter or your Google, just click on either of it, but I'll go with Google. Then you click on that, then quickly it brings you to the Google sign in page. So you choose the email you want to sign in with. Okay, so let me go with this one because I already have a Selar account to the first one, so I'll go with the second one. Then it loads quickly. Okay, all right, so immediately your account is created within minutes. So that is how to create a Selar account, guys. That is how to create a Selar account. Then the next thing you want to do is to set up your bank details. After setting up your bank details, you want to now add products. So let's click on setting up bank details and see how it's done. It's very easy. You choose your country. Let's go with Nigeria. Then you choose your bank, Access Bank. Then you input your account number. Then you verify your account details, and that is all. Once you've done that, then your account is good to go. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to add products to Selar. So see you next time.